case I don't see you.
And they all come at once.
You never know, it's a big place.
Were you brought up on the farm? Where was that? Weakness.
Yeah, we're all more times. I suppose
Oh yeah, no, I'm still going. Book a gate. The next game. Good display, isn't it? And a good day. Yeah, I remember this area quite well. We had a small holding. 1944 to 1970.
We never had actually full strain on the bonnet. On the bodywork. Yeah, the tapered. That's where the shaft comes to. Not on the top.
How good did you milk it, man? Did you milk it or what?
Prize in order of merit, but that's in the third. The red rose got, but our exhibit
was. Yeah, I think 2 weeks he fell down.